How to fix Teams camera not working? Let's get started. For that, first of all, right click on this window icon, then press on settings. Inside settings, you have to simply tap on apps, then tap on installed apps. Now, in the search bar, you can simply search for Microsoft Teams and just like that, click on this three dot. After that, tap on Advanced option and now scroll down to App Permissions. Make sure camera toggle is turned on. After that, scroll below again, then tap on Repair. And after repairing Teams, you can simply head back to Settings, then click on Bluetooth devices. Now once you're here, scroll below and then select on Cameras. After that, you have to simply click on your camera, then select Edit. Now turn on Basic Camera, then tap on Apply to save the changes. Now after that, you can simply open up Microsoft Teams again and check if the problem is solved or not. If the issue persists, you can simply try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.